Say hello to the future of content creation with Vertex AI. From stunning videos to personalized audio, Vertex AI has you covered. Let's break it down. First up, VO2. With advanced editing features like inpainting, outpainting, and interpolation, it's never been easier to create professional quality videos. Plus, new camera controls give you that perfect shot every time. Then there's Imagen 3, offering higher quality image generation and improved editing capabilities, including seamless object removal. Your visuals will never be the same. And Chirp 3, game changer, instant custom voice creation from just 10 seconds of audio and improved multi-speaker transcription make it perfect for personalized audio content. But wait, there's more. Introducing Lyria, our text-to-music model. Create unique music tracks effortlessly. Vertex AI isn't just powerful, it's safe. With synthed watermarking and copyright indemnity, your content is protected. Businesses like L'Oreal, Kraft Heinz, and Goodbye Silverstein and Partners are already streamlining their workflows and cutting production time. Join them and unleash your creative potential with Vertex AI.